Hello everyone, I am Ishan. Today I am going to show you how to draw and color Roronoa ZORO in an easy way. In this video, I will give you every instruction. I will tell you how to create all the colors, so watch the full video, you will learn a lot out of it.
I don't know if I can find my way out.
Let's start the tutorial video. Don't skip any part or you will miss very important details.
In this ocean, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. The water rises. Need a friend to shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. Fall into the ocean.
I have finished the outlining. Let's start coloring. Use light green in the area where I did. Now take dark green and color the places I colored.
Reaching out, I'm reaching in. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching.
Now take brown and color the places I colored.
The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching.
Now take watercolor. Take white, yellow, red, and brown. Take 60% white, 25% yellow, 10% red, and 5% brown, and then mix them together perfectly.
Water is rising over me. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching. It's coming.
Now take out the brush and start coloring the whole body gently. Use yellow-green color or mix yellow and green together and color the hair.
I don't know if I can find my way.
Now add a bit more brown in the mixture and color the shadow parts.
I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this ocean,
Let the paint dry for at least 5 minutes and then take a pen or fine liner and highlight all the lines.
Need a friend to shake me out again.
Keep in mind to use a paper under your hand, or your ink will spread and your drawing will be spoiled.
To shake me out again.
Thanks for watching the video. Now go try drawing by yourself. I hope this video helps you.
I don't know if I can find my way